welcome to my channel, Shayspectrum. If you are new here, hello and welcome. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe to my videos to check out new content every single week, guys. If you are a returning subscriber, I love y'all so much and I appreciate your support. Thank you so much for sharing this content and for getting it out there and just for watching and tuning in every single week. I appreciate y'all so much. Today we are going to be getting into makeup on this cute balm like green look. My favorite color is green, so I love when I get a chance to play in green. Y'all, it's so cute, so easy to do, very efficient. It wasn't costly, so make sure that y'all tune into this video and y'all grab these tips, okay? And I'll see y'all at the end. Okay, friends, so I am going to hop right into this look today. As y'all can see, I already went and did my brows as well as some of my foundation. I find that some influencers do this as well, and I have thought that it was some type of sorcery to be able to put on eyeshadow and already have on your foundation and not mess your foundation up. And so I'm gonna try doing this. Hopefully I don't get a lot of fallout and mess up. I know some people bake under the eyes to protect the fallout, but I don't bake at all because I get so dry. And so I'm not gonna do that today, but I'm just gonna start applying my Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer to my eyelids. This is just going to act as a base for the shadows and just make sure that the colors really stick and as well as like they pop. So it's gonna give it like a translucent feel.
Going around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Next up, I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Golden Door. Y'all know I've used this before. I like using this at a base because it is a little bit lighter than my skin. It's too much to do like a highlight with for me.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns.
And I'm gonna pat that in using the Morphe 224 flat edge brush.
My shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so today I am on my way to church, and so I'm gonna do just like a simple kind of cute eyelid look. I'm gonna start off by using the Naked Urban Decay palette. Y'all have seen me use this before and I love this palette. I'm gonna start first by dipping my Morphe 441 brush into the shade Whiskey. I'm just gonna do a little bit of this mixed with the Cobust color right here. And this is just gonna act as my transition shade.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
After that, I'm gonna dip into this Ulta palette to use some of the colors here in my inner crease. Today, I'm gonna dip into the color Milk Chocolate, and this is gonna go right in my outer corner and a little bit of my crease area. And so I'm just gonna pat that on right here. And I'm also gonna do that on the other eye as well, but I'm just gonna pat it right in this corner just to concentrate it. And then I'll blend it out some more.
In number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways,
Okay, after that, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Angel Wine Concealer again, and I'm just gonna tap this right on my eyelid. And then I'm going to smooth that out again using my flat Morphe 224 brush. Next up, I'm going to go back into the Ulta palette and dip into this green shade over here. The color is Willow. I'm feeling a little inspired by my little turban situation I have going on here. Just a scarf, actually. And so I'm going to dip into that color and then pop that right on the outer corner of my lid. Next up, I'm gonna dip into this shade Sage, which is this little bit of a lighter color, and I'm gonna pop that on the inner area of my eyelid. That one got some fallout. It's a really pretty green color. Next up, I'm gonna dip back into my crease brush using the color Milk Chocolate. And I'm gonna lightly brush this over the transition area and crease just to blend this green in. I'm also going to hop through my other side and do the exact same thing. Okay, now that eyeshadow is complete, I'm gonna go in with this Art Deco Angel Eye Mascara to put on my upper eyelids. I'm not gonna do my lower eyelashes yet, just because I'm going to go in with concealer. Okay, so that's gonna be my first layer of concealer. I'm gonna go in with some more as well after this, but I'm now gonna apply the LA Pro concealer in the shade Fawn underneath my eyes. And this is to conceal any fallout, but also any like darker areas and give me like a little bit of a highlight. I'm not gonna do too much because again, I'm going to church, but yeah. Y'all know I like to use just a little sponge to blend that out. As y'all know, I don't bake, but I'm going to put some setting powder underneath my eyes. I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier in the shade Translucent setting powder. I just put a little bit under my eyes at a time, and then I dust it off immediately after. And then I also take this and put it around my mouth, and I let this kind of bake more just because it doesn't dry me out in this area, but also it helps reduce my smile lines that I get from laughing and smiling all the time, which is not fair, but this helps kind of mold it and keep it in place. While that's baking, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with my mascara using the same mascara. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in and dust all of that off. Next up, I'm gonna go in with a inner corner highlight using the Milani highlighter in the shade Strobe Light. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe 431 brush. This little tip. And that step is just to like clean it up. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 310 fan brush. And this is just gonna add some highlight to my upper cheek, but just a little bit. And I'm also gonna pop just a little bit of this underneath my brows. And then again, just blend that some more. Okay guys, that is all that I'm applying today. I'm gonna come back to y'all with the final look. Hi guys, I hope that video was helpful for y'all, that y'all learned some cool new technique, but also some good ways to blend colors and to mix them in. Again, I love this look, and it is so just like fresh and flowy and such a good look, like even just for church where I'm going. And thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope that y'all try this. Let me know if y'all do. Remember to use the hashtag SpecTribe. We have a family that we're building here, and that is going to be our hashtag and our family lock-in hashtag. So make sure that y'all are using that. Again, I love y'all so much. Thank you for subscribing and sharing this video and tuning in. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.